Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Eddie, what do we got this week?
There's another one in the for the love of problem solving.
Problem solving.
Yeah, it's one of the things that I find more fun about our industry. One of the things I love about my job.
Okay.
I love solving problems. Now, these come in different varieties. So I do want to put some context here that we will inevitably lose in a LinkedIn post and have everybody mad about it. But it's okay because we get people talking. It's fine. The thing that I'm talking about are like constructability problems. I love having the bits and pieces, not quite knowing how the things should go together and messing around with the configurations until something clicks.
I will say this, you do really like to do this.
I love this.
It's like a puzzle for you.
It's exactly like a puzzle. I really do. I enjoy the process of problem solving. I especially like it when I get to problem solve alongside of other teammates and our customers. It's like when I get on the phone with somebody that's also kind of nerds out over this, we have a really fun time.
Yeah.
Because I like the spitballing of ideas, like to throw it out there. I don't know about that. And how like you just kind of build off of each other until you get to a place where you're like, locked it in. That's it. That's it. That's the one. And I don't know, you kind of geek out about that. There's just some things that have been implemented, I guess, on projects that I can say that came as a result of just some good problem solving, some good thinking. Yeah. And I like to think. I like that.
You know, okay, so we're in February, right? Like this is the whole reason for this is to remind you about why you love your job.
Yeah, why do you do what you do?
Why do you do what you do? And so I feel like what we're trying to get at here is that there are these key moments that happen on every single project. You know, a relationship is formed, or, you know, there's problem solving that happens, or at the end of it, you get to stop and look at what you've done, right? That's kind of how we've tracked the past couple of weeks. And the whole point of it is to just remind you like, hey, like that's why we're in it, is we get to do these sorts of things. Like we get to problem solve, we get to see the finished product, and we also get to build relationships with those around us. Yep. It's a really amazing place to be. Like unlike a lot of other industries, construction doesn't always, I mean, there are facets obviously, rely on this virtual connection to where we're always on Zoom meetings, we're always on Google Meets and all of this stuff. No, like this is one of those industries that still we get that face-to-face time. And dude, man, there's nothing better than, you sit down in the room with somebody and you're just like, you're spinning around a model or you're looking through the drawings and you're trying to come up with the problem, like figure out the problem. Dude, that feels so good.
It's a lot of fun.
So fun.
One of the things we love. So this hopefully stokes fires a little bit, gets you kind of encouraged, keeps you going, makes you remember, stop and think about it. We're in it for the fun things that we get to do, the things that we love. Yeah. And, not just the dime that we get to make. So there you go.
We're also in it for the coffee.
And the coffee.
The coffee can be pretty good.
Cheers to that.
Cheers. Go build something awesome.